Sometimes you need to start from searching a keyword or something something in a search on Amazon, and you input a keyword, or you search for a product on Amazon and see product on Amazon search page. On the search page, it's better to install a Chrome extension which shows a quick information about product. Seller Assistant app have that such feature and show quick information about product right on the search page. On this picture, you can see that first 3 sellers sold by only one seller on Amazon. It means these products are probably private label products because they have only one seller who is brand owner. But last 2 products sold by many sellers. You can see that one product sold by 7 plus FBA and another one sold by 11 plus FBA sellers. It means a lot of different sellers can sell these products. Also, probably you can sell them too, right? Okay, what's next? When you open a product page, check twice. In this picture, you can see the brand name of the product is Anker. The product have a label on the picture. You can see Anker brand on the picture. You can also see brand name in the product description. And also seller name is very similar to the brand name. Like a product under Anker brand sold by seller, which is Anker Direct. So Anker Direct is very similar to the Anker. It means these products is probably a private label product. Sometimes there are a few sellers selling such product. Maybe some sellers sell used products, or even Amazon sells. But if you see the seller name similar to the brand name, it means the product is private label. So skip such products.